good day, my people. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for supporting my channel. I have a lot of recipes coming your way, a lot of good things coming your way. Please do not forget to subscribe below. Also share and like, and of course that bell button that is going to let you know right away as soon as I upload a video, which I will be doing twice a week on Fridays and Sunday. Okay, so let's get started. I'm very excited about my recipes, and I'm very excited of sharing what my family been eating for years with yours. Thank you.
Okay, my people, we are going to make our arroz con pollo. Yes. I have here some cut up leg quarters, chicken quarters. I have my red bell pepper, my onion, fresh cilantro, fresh garlic, adobo, black pepper, white wine, tomato paste, paprika, onion, garlic, oregano, bay leaf, chicken bouillon, and sazon, and of course our rice. All right, so now we are going to start seasoning our chicken. We're gonna put adobo, and again guys, with the seasonings you add as much as you want or take away. Okay, just adjust the recipe how you like it. Here I'm adding black pepper, some onion powder, and again with the onion powder and the garlic powder, guys, it doesn't have any salt, so you're able to put as much as you want. All right, never buy that garlic salt or garlic or onion salt. Always buy only the powder, so you're able to adjust it in your recipes. Here I got my whole oregano, which I like to crush, guys, because it has much flavor. All right, and I'm gonna add an envelope of the sazon. And also I'm gonna add a little bit of paprika. Paprika also doesn't have any salt, okay guys, but it gives it a nice taste and also flavor and colored. So here I am massaging my meat. If you are able to season your meats the night before or a couple days before, even better. So here I'm going to pretty much repeat the same process. I'm going to add just a little bit more of adobo, more black pepper, and onion and garlic powder and oregano. So here I have about 2 tablespoons of oil already heat up. We're gonna start placing our chicken, and we have the fire on medium low, guys. Medium low. You are going to be braising pretty much this chicken, so you do not want it on high. So here I'm gonna start giving it a hot cook like for a good 5 minutes or so. So now I'm gonna give it the first turn. And through this process, you are going to turn your chicken a few times, okay? Look at the color. Only have been about 5-7 minutes. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it. So now while that is going, we are going to cut up our bell pepper, onion, cilantro, and garlic and have it ready. So look at this color, guys, and the smell. Lord Jesus, it smells so good. But that's what you want. You want your chicken to be brown, not burnt, but brown enough, because that brownness, I'm telling you, is going to give your rice such a flavor. All right, so now we are removing it from the pan. I'm gonna remove a little bit of the oil. Now I'm gonna add up my onions and peppers. And again, your fire is a medium low, okay? You are going to be cooking your fresh ingredients. You do not want them to burn. So the first one is the onions and bell pepper. They cook a little longer until they are translucent. So as you can see, your onion here is translucent and your bell pepper. This is what you want right here before you add anything else. So now I am adding my garlic, and also I lower my fire now to low because you know garlic will burn on you. You do not want that. So now I lower my fire to low. We want all these fresh flavors to cook and marinate and dance and do all of that. So you want your fire on low. So here I also added the cilantro. Again, guys, none of this seasoning has salt, so you could add or as much as you want, really. It is freshness from the ground. Okay, so here I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my tomato paste. And again, my fire is still on low. You want to continue to keep your fire on low. Here I'm adding my bay leaves. I added about 3 bay leaves. And at this point, guys, if you have green olives, you could go ahead right now and add your green olives. I thought I had olives, but I didn't. So, but usually in this recipe, I also add green olives. So you continue to stir it. Make sure that your ingredients are dancing together and not burning. So here I'm adding an envelope of the chicken bouillon. Also envelope the sazon. And crushed oregano. That oregano, guys, gives it a wonderful flavor. So here I'm adding a little bit of water. Okay. So now at this point, since I'm adding my liquids, I could put my fire back on medium low. And now, guys, I'm adding my white wine. Yes, yes, yes. I love cooking with some white wines. You already know. Some people add beer and some people just add water only. It's all preference, guys. You play with the recipe and make it your own. So here I'm adding a little bit of paprika. A little bit of onion powder. Some garlic powder. And of course, make sure you are stirring it. You want your ingredients to marinate evenly. Look at that beautiful color and the smell, guys. Woo. So here I'm adding at least 2 cups of rice. I use parboiled rice. I like using parboiled rice for my jello rice, but you could use whichever rice you like. It's all up to you. It's all preference. So now I'm gonna stir my rice. Again, I have my fire on medium low at this moment, so I went ahead and lowered back down to low. because I want all the seasonings to soak in the rice, and you don't want your rice to burn. So it's on low right now. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it good and pat it down. Let it cook for a couple more minutes like that. As you can see, I pat it down. Look at how beautiful that color. And that's gonna not only gonna even out your flavors, but also it's gonna give your rice such a beautiful, vibrant color. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my water. And usually, guys, for 2 cups of rice, I would add between 3.5 to 4 cups of water. And also, it also depends on your rice that you are cooking, because some rice cook faster than others. And as you can see, as I'm adding my liquid, I'm stirring it because I want all my ingredients to be evenly distributed throughout. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. And I decided that I am gonna go ahead and add some water, a little bit more water. Again, I end up adding about 3.5 cups of water. I added another envelope of chicken bouillon. Some garlic powder. Again, doesn't have any salt, guys. Some onion powder. I'm gonna taste it again. So at this point, I decide everything is good, but I want another little kick. So I decided to add a little bit of liquid smoke, guys, because a lot of people use ham and chorizo sometimes to this dish. I didn't do that, but you are welcome to. So I decided to add a little bit of liquid smoke. So now I'm adding my chicken back to it, and my fire is on medium low. I let it cook for a good 10 minutes like that. And when you see that your water is almost dry, like it is here, this is when you do your first turn. You see that beautiful color, guys? That's a combination of those seasoning and also that brownness from the chicken. Oh my God, when I'm telling you this recipe is delicious, it is super delicious. Okay, so at this point I'm gonna go ahead and let it cook a few more minutes. Now I'm gonna give it my second turn. Now my water had dried out completely. So at this point, guys, you go ahead and you lower your fire to low. Make sure your fire is on low, okay? And you're gonna go ahead and cover it up and let it cook for another 10 minutes. But look how beautiful this rice is coming along. Look at those colors. So here has been another 10 minutes, guys, on low, cooking on low fire. And this is pretty much your final product. I like my arroz con pollo to be a little moist, but if you like it drier, you let it cook a little more, or you add less water. But this is it, guys. This is your final product. Okay, enjoy the recipe and thank you for coming to my channel. See you next time.